Hi guys, this is Amar and welcome to Amar Tech Stuff. So guys, in this video we're going to focus on a Cisco Packet Tracer lab, and in this lab we are going to see some basic switch related configuration. We are going to see how we can set the host name of the switch, how we can set the MOTD, that is message of the day banner for the switch, and some password related configuration for the switch. So what I'll do is I'll quickly open a Cisco Packet Tracer. So I've already downloaded Cisco Packet Tracer and installed it. I've also made a separate video on this. Okay, so do watch that video also if you have not installed or downloaded Cisco Packet Tracer. So what I need to do is I need to pick up a switch over here. So here you can see at the bottom, here are the routers, and these are the switches options. So I have a lot of options for the switches also. So I'll take the very first option, that is 2960. Now I'll just double click on that icon of the switch and go into this CLI. Okay, now you can see that the switch is booting up with that OS. Now currently you can see the host name of the switch is by default, which is a switch, and the switch is in the user mode, you can see. Okay, so this is in the user mode, and now I need to change the host name of the switch. So if you want to change anything on that switch, it's something that changes which are related to the configuration changes of the switch, you need to enter into something known as global configuration mode. Now you are in a user mode. Now to enter from the user mode into the global configuration mode, you need to first go into the privilege mode, and then from privilege mode you can go into the global configuration mode. So from user mode, the privilege mode, the command is enable, and now I'm into the privilege mode. So now from this privilege mode I need to go into the global configuration mode, because in privilege mode I cannot make any configurational changes on the switch. I can only read certain what you can say output of certain commands from the switch. Okay, so I'll go into the global configuration mode. The command is very simple: configure terminal, or simply conft you can type. So I'm into the global configuration mode. Now I want to change the host name of the switch. What host name I need is this, that is SW1. So just copy this host name, and the command to change the host name is simple: host name. Okay, now you see here the host name by default is switch. Now I want it to be SW1, so I'll paste it. Now you can see once I press the enter, the host name of the switch will change. It is changed. So this is how you can change the host name of the switch. Now to exit from the global configuration mode, the command is exit. Now I'm in the privilege mode. Now from exiting from the privilege mode is also the command is same, that is exit. Okay, now the second thing I want to do is set a message of the day, that is MOTD, banner of the switch. So I'll show you how it looks basically. So this is the banner of the switch. So I'll just copy this banner first of all, or the message of the day. So this is what I've copied, the banner. Now to make the changes, I need to go into global configuration mode. As I told, I can just type conft, and the command to set the banner is banner. Okay, I need to set the message of the day now. So if you see, I have an option of, now if I give a question mark, I'll the prompt will show me the all possible options. So here it is showing me only one possible option, that is MOTD, that is message of the day. Again I give a question mark. Okay, so it is saying that I have to give a certain line and C banner text C, that is C, then a banner text, whatever banner I keep, and then C, where C is a delimiting character. I can keep any character as a delimiting character. Okay, my favorite one is $, so I'll keep it as a $. Okay, so what I need to give is $, the banner text, then again the $. Okay, now it is telling me enter the text and end with the character $. Okay, so I'll just paste it. Okay, so this is the banner or the message of the day I want to set, and then I need to give again the $, and I'll press enter. Okay, now where can I see the message of the day? So whenever a user, okay, trying to log in into that switch, you will get the message of the day. So this is the message of the day. Only authorized users are allowed, unauthorized users are not allowed. So this kind of messages normally you can keep on the production switches, which are live in the network. Normally you'll see such kind of banners set up on the switch. Again, the last thing is related to passwords. Okay, this is again a very important thing. Configure a line console password. So they want me to configure a line console password as India@123. So line console password, you can check it whether any line console password is configured. It is not configured, since when we're trying to log into switch, it is not asking for any password as such. So you can see over here under this line console 0, you won't find any configuration over here in this one. Okay, there's no configuration over here. So I want to make the changes, the configuration changes under line console 0. So what I need to go is, I need to go into the global configuration mode. In the global configuration mode, I need to go into a line console mode. So I'll type here line console 0. Okay, and then I'll set the password. Okay, so I'll just type a password and the password whichever I want to give. So I'll just paste that password, that is India@123. Now since I'm setting a password, I also need to give an extra command, that is login. Okay, now I'll exit from here. Okay, now once I've exited from this mode, you can see this config line. I came back to the global configuration mode. Now the another thing I need to set here is the enable secret password. This is a very important stuff, guys. You must know this, enable secret password. How to set a enable secret password for a router or switch. For both of them, the command is same. In the global configuration mode, you need to go into this, to type this command enable secret and the password. So the password here is something different, I think so. The password here is, need to set is Cisco@123. So I'll keep this password as Cisco@123. Just paste it here. Okay, and press enter. So this is how I've configured enable secret password also. Now I'll exit from the switch. Okay, now once I press enter, you will see only authorized user allowed. This is the banner which we set. Then it is asking me the password. This is the console, because I'm trying to log in via console, so it is asking me the console password. So this is our console password, this India@123. So I'll just copy this and paste it here. Okay, so now here's the host name which we configured, that is switch 1. Now I'll go into the, I want to go into the privilege mode. So I need a password which I've set, that is enable secret password. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this password and paste it over here. Okay, so this is how we have done we have configured everything which was required. So guys, in this way, there are a lot of stuff which I can come up with more videos, but in this video I'll stop here because I want to show you only this much, the basic configuration of the switch. It is very important to actually configure a switch, to know the basic configuration of switch whenever you are starting your career in networking. So I'll give you a last command. Now whatever changes we have made this changes in the running configuration, not in the startup configuration. Okay, if you want to check, for example, like this one. Okay, so we have made the changes in the running configuration, not in the startup configuration. So we need to copy the running configuration into the startup configuration. Now even if the switch get reloads, and if you have not saved the running configuration into the startup configuration, then you will lose the configuration. Okay, so the command to save the running configuration to startup configuration is copy run startup config. So you won't lose the configuration even if the switch gets restarted or rebooted. Okay, so I've stopped here in this video. I'll catch up you in the next video. If you really like this videos, guys, please do give appropriate comment to this video, and please do share this video with your friends, so it will be useful for your friends as well. So I'll stop here. and catch up in the next video. Till then, bye, thanks, and take care.